Georgia Department of Public Safety. This is Allison. May I help you?
Is Mark McDonough available?
I'm sorry, he's not. May I take a message, or could someone else assist you?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to Mark about the legal name fraud. Are you familiar with that?
Run that by me again?
Okay, but do you have a pen and paper ready?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Okay, the call is regarding the legal name fraud, and I wanted to bring it. I wanted to bring that to his attention, and he needs to know that it's illegal to use a legal name. And write this down too. It's he can learn about this if he doesn't get back to me at losethename.com. That's losethename.com.
Okay. Is this based on driver's license or?
No, it's the birth certificate. The birth certificate is a copy of corporate intellectual property, and no one is legally authorized to use the birth certificate to create or have created a driver's license.
Okay, well, driver's license is no longer under this department. It's its own separate department now.
Okay, that's fine.
It's called the Georgia Department of Driver Services.
Uh-huh. Now, Mark is involved in the Department of Public Safety.
What we do, we are Georgia Department of Public Safety.
Mm-hmm.
We have the Georgia State Patrol, Motor Carrier Compliance, and the Capitol Police under our umbrella.
Gotcha. Well, let me briefly explain how this applies to Mark and his function. When a police officer or a sheriff or anyone that has a corporate employment pulls another person over and asks them what their name is, or they ask them for a legal ID, legal date of birth, or legal address, what's going on there is that officer is aiding and abetting another person to commit legal name fraud. And so he needs to know how those officers are actually breaking law. And that information is at losethename.com.
Okay. Well, I will direct him to that website. Is there a number that he should contact?
I don't have a phone number, but I do have an email address that he certainly is welcome to email me, and that address is legalnamefraud.
Okay.
It's all one word, legalnamefraud at gmail.com. And obviously, I don't have a legal name, so I can't give a name.
Is that Gmail or email?
Gmail.
Okay, gotcha. I just thought you said email. I wanted to make sure I thought Gmail would be it. Okay.
Yeah, and I can't give a name because I don't have a name. The one that I used to be called turned out to be a legal name. So I can no longer use that because it's not mine to use. That's owned by a corporation, and it's copyright protected.
Okay.
Yeah. So have Mark give me an email if he has any further questions, and please do have him take a look at that site. And specifically, there are many essays within the writing section of the site. It's called Kate's Writings under losethename.com, and therein he will find many essays going into the legal name fraud.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll direct him to that site.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.